Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable embedding in YouTube videos on your PC. Embedding allows others to share your videos on their websites or blogs, expanding your reach and increasing engagement. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through these simple steps to enable embedding in YouTube videos. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio on your PC by launching it from your browser or desktop shortcut. Step 2. Once you're in YouTube Studio, navigate to the Content section. Step 3. Select the video you want to enable embedding for, and click on Details to access the video's settings. Step 4. Scroll down to find the Show More option and click on it to reveal additional settings. Step 5. Under the License section, locate the checkbox and enable it to allow embedding for your video. By following these quick and easy steps, you can enable embedding in YouTube videos on your PC, giving your audience the ability to share and promote your content. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials on YouTube and other tech-related topics.